you're on console? No, I'm on PC controller, guys. That's hey dude, wait, Cass. Oh my gosh, Cass, hey girl.
Hey, let me know what to order.
Bro, you said you already ordered something. What you
No,
mean?
I have it.
Bro, he swears. He said you've been ordering something, guys. He's making excuses, chat.
No. I'm just looking at my phone. I don't know what to
Uh-huh.
order.
I'm gonna go if you're still alive later, but Mike. Alright, for sure, Gummy. Have a good night. Bye, Gummy. As the goat is here? Yeah, the goat is here. Just to control it. No, guys, I'm not sure. Very family oriented. That's really good, Jax. Bro, I can barely hear you. Put your mic closer right now. Yo, most.
So what do I order myself?
Bro, put your mic closer, bro. I can barely hear you. Like, actually.
What do I order myself?
Wingstop. Yo, most 243. Yo, welcome to the chat, bro.
What is your favorite in Wingstop?
Also, yo, the random gibberish that followed. I don't know how to say your name. SDFFHD. Hey, thank you so much for the follow, dude. And Girly Pop Mimi, thank you so much for the follow. We love the Girly Pops joining the chat. W's. Welcome to the chat though, most. Welcome. Famous? I am not famous, dudes. I am not famous. W follows, guys. W follows. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Also, I landed somewhere random, guys, because I was reading chat. So. Almost 200? What am I at? What am I at, Kilton? Let me know. You have the games. Wait, oh, I'll have the games been. I'm so sorry. I'm just so. The games have been pretty good. Guys, I'm playing duels right now.
Yeah, what her best favorite.
You always say what the best favorite is.
No, I don't even know what to say.
But the games have been alright. Actually, I ranked up, so I guess they've been good. So that's what counts, you know. Guys, where is he? Am I blind, chat? I guess I'm blind. No longer a small streamer? Yes, I am, guys. Yeah, I'm still a small streamer. So. 5 more followers? No way. Are you serious? That's insane. Yo, the growth rapidly is crazy. That's actually.
Are you serious? I never asked.
I don't have a shotgun, so this was
Why
gonna
are you
work.
so far away from me?
I told you I landed somewhere random because I was reading chat. I'm so dead though. I'm dead. Oh my gosh, please don't shoot. Don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Oh no. I'm gonna go heal, I'm gonna go heal. Nah. He, wait, miss him so much. Wait, miss who? What do you miss? I'm confused.
You get off the fucking road too.
Yes, to be honest, guys, I'm so confused. Who does he miss? Yeah.
Get the fuck out
Yo,
there, bitch.
really, Paul Mimi? Your name is actually so fire. Mimi. That's a W name. Sorry, I was stuck in my head. I had to say it, chat. Eddie, what? Yeah, what is Eddie saying? Your old duo can't even say his name. Was? Don't do it, bro.
Can I be your duel?
Bro, you don't even play.
What?
Shush. He swears he plays every day, chat. He does not even get on, bro. Look at him, bro. He's giggling, chat. Bro, lying to chat.
Would you be my duel?
I'd consider it.
Here, come up here. You missed splashes up here, you blind.
I'm healing.
There's splashes up here.
You need to fix that mic, bro. The mic is actually, yo.
It's Boo Brano, so.
I don't know what happened to that mic, bro. Wait, who's my own duo chat, though? I didn't do it.